Hello friend, welcome back to Algorithm Visualized. This is Golden Sun. In this video, we'll play with the three examples, recursive examples we did in Swift before and in Python this time. Okay, let's get started. The first one, factorial. Okay, so vim fact.py. Okay, so let's create a factorial function df fact of number n. So what's the base case? If n is 0 or 1, okay, then we return 1. Otherwise, we return n times. Here is the recursive case, right? Fact of n minus 1. Even though the code is very easy, right? We should think about the three things in a recursion implementation: the base case and the rest of the job, and our one-step logic here. We did, right? We did one-step job, which is n times whatever the rest of the job. Yeah. Okay. Now test with that. Factorial of 5. Yeah. So Python 3 factorial. Yeah, correct. Okay, let's create the next one, sum up. So that will be even easier. Sum.py. So what is the sum from 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n? Okay, so what is the base case? 1. We return just 1. Otherwise, return n plus sum of n minus 1, like that, right? And let's use something like a ternary to do that. Yeah, make sure it compiles, so it works. Sum of 100, that. So yeah, Python, we don't need to compile the source code to run it, right? So Python 3 sum.py. Yeah, correct. Okay, let's try. So we can do, yeah, here return that. No, we can return, yeah, so let's do that. Return 1 if n is 1, right? Otherwise, else we return that. So it's just one line of code, right? Return 1 if it's the base case. Otherwise, we return that. Here is a recursive call, and here is our one-step job. Yeah, one-step implementation. Try it again. Yeah, it works. Next one. Print sequence. So given two numbers, right, like 3 and 7, for example, we should print out, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so print sequence .py. df print. Okay, let's just print sequence of two numbers, right? A and B. So what is base case? So the recursive case is I'll do my job to print whatever the first one is, then I'll hand the rest of the job to the recursive function. So in my mind, the recursive case is print sequence of a plus 1, right? One more, then end with the same number b. Okay, so now if a is same, right, in this way, eventually a will meet b. Yeah. So this is the base case, we just output a, right, like that. Otherwise, oh, then return. It's done. Otherwise, we need to print out a. Yeah, conceptually they are same, but give B a chance. Okay, so we print out A, then we hand the rest of this is the rest of the job provided by recursion. Here is our one-step job we did here. This is the base case. After it's done, we return. Yeah, let's give it a try. So oh, I didn't call. Oh, sorry. It's this one. Yeah, we still don't have the testing code, so print sequence 3 to 7, maybe 9. Okay, so we are expecting 3, 4, 5 until 9. Python 3 print 3 to 9. Good, it works. So yeah, compare with the implementation in Swift here on the left. Yeah, good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.